Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Shruti.
And I'm Dre. And together we are Beauty and the Beard.
So today we're watching Daredevil.
So today we're jumping back into Daredevil for the third episode, Rabbit in a Snowstorm. And if you're having trouble seeing clearly our full-length uncut reactions, then follow us over to our Patreon at patreon.com/beauty and the Beard. Let's get right into it.
Let's do it.
Can I get a size 10 and light?
Sorry, we're closing up.
Are you still playing?
Mr. Proska bowls when he wants to.
Be right back.
I don't like this where this is going. But you
Excuse
get
me.
to bowl whenever you want to.
Just wondering if maybe I could join you for a couple games.
Private game.
Might be an assassin.
Right.
Get this moron out of my face.
Hey, come on.
Oh shit! Oh shit! He's so much smaller than these guys.
What?
Whoa, whoa, hey.
Got a bad attitude, friend.
Like this.
All right. This
This is
guy.
the
Love that smell. Metal
child
and oil,
trafficking.
Yeah.
fresh, never been fired.
Like a good
With-
revolver, better. No chance of jamming up.
Ooh.
Man, look at this. I guarantee this baby will not jam. Or my name ain't Turk Barrett.
Oh!
This is how he negotiates, huh?
Oh! I mean, he was pointing the oh!
Oh! That's some Punisher shit. Oh my god, the bone. Oh!
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's finished. It's done. Okay. Oh my gosh. You're gonna kill the girl.
There a surveillance system you gotta worry about?
You're here already, bro. Wow, you took one for the team.
I want a lawyer.
Wow.
I want a lawyer. And it's gonna be our boy.
Nah, this guy's always wounded.
He's always saving people.
All hand to hand, you know what I'm saying? No.
Close
Kid,
encounter.
aren't you?
I have to get to work.
Yeah, me too. Wouldn't mind a cup of coffee first, though. Chamber of Commerce donated one of those fancy espresso machines for meetings and stuff. Make a heck of a latte, if you're interested. Seemed you had a lot on your mind last time you were here.
Yes, he did. My goodness.
So you don't want that latte?
So, what's the prognosis?
People's memories these days ain't so good. Back in the day, I couldn't wait to see this view.
Oh, I remember
Me
this
and
guy.
the boys, kings of the castle.
Kings don't have bodies in the trunk.
Tell that to Macbeth.
Hey, yo.
What's this about you moving to Florida?
The rules. You go first, and then maybe I got something to say. That's the way it's always been.
Snitch. You're CI.
Used to be if you killed a man, you sent his wife flowers. Now they just send his wife with him.
That's dark.
You know something, don't you?
Yeah. Florida's beautiful this time of year.
I like the way this guy talks.
Yeah.
There are no
Says-
rules, Benny. Not anymore.
That's the sad part. That's what Montreal said about our mafia.
That's all I get.
Everyone's getting in.
Take a pass on this one, Benny. Some fights will just get you bloody.
Oh, you print something, they might friggin'
I thought he was a cop.
come back to redact the report. Yeah, I thought it was a police officer at
Yeah.
least. But when he was saying you go first, I was like, oh shit, it's
The
the
girl.
secretary.
Eviction notice? What did she say?
No, it has to be something maybe personal to her case or something.
Time we skipped
Oh.
the part.
Yeah,
at the
yeah,
end.
see that.
Deal.
Hey, what do you think about getting a sign on the door?
Well, you got a sign.
A real one.
Well, should get some clients first.
Hey. You know,
But what
she's
work
not
do you do if we have no
really-
clients?
Jesus,
Wow.
what happened to your eye?
Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, yeah, I'm fine. I just wasn't paying attention last night.
Client.
Was that a knock?
Someone's at the door.
Our door?
Such a surprise.
Would you answer it? We're paying you.
Right.
Hi.
This guy again.
Do you do walk-ins? I represent a consortium with diversified interests in the private sector, both domestic and international.
Why are you approaching us? Why not a larger firm, Mr.
Confederated Global Investments is my employer.
Not what I was asking.
It's the only name relevant to this discussion, Mr. Murdock.
Wow.
It's a
Bro,
fair
you're so
question.
gullible.
I'm here because my employer does extensive business in Hell's Kitchen, and who knows it better than two local boys who graduated from Columbia Law cum laude and summa cum laude? I assure you, all my employer wants is for you to continue to be ethical, decent men, good lawyers.
It's fair. That's fair.
Your partner doesn't seem convinced.
Like Foggy said, we're particular about our clientele.
Wow.
Do they all end up working for you after you get them off for murder, or just the pretty ones?
Wow. 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 Wow.
You give
What
us
a remark.
Yeah. What harm could it do?
Excellent. You have 38 minutes to get to precinct 15.
What? Now? What's the case? What is your problem?
You wouldn't even give us his name, Foggy.
You wouldn't care if you could see the zeros on this check.
Yeah, maybe you would if you couldn't.
We're running out of
I'll
time.
meet you there.
Meet me.
Wait. Daredevil's too quick with that one.
Too quick.
Thank you.
That was such clever wordplay. He just blew my mind.
What is your problem?
You wouldn't even give us his name, Foggy.
You wouldn't care if you could see the zeros on this check.
Yeah, maybe you would if you couldn't.
We're running out of time.
Oh!
Where
Whoo!
are we going?
Maybe if you didn't see the zeros, you could give a real shit. That's wow. Bars.
Cartier.
He's listening to his watch.
Yeah. To follow him. Wow. Wow. Three cars. Body's telling you.
Whoa, he's bleeding again. Jesus
Yeah.
Christ.
I mean, falling into a dumpster.
Lady at the shoe counter will tell you the same.
She also says that you crushed the deceased skull with a bowling ball.
Self-defense. The man and his whatever they were, they threatened my life.
Verbally, physically?
Which sounds better?
Excuse me?
They threatened me both verbally and physically. Regret any injurious consequences my actions may have caused.
Wow.
You
Guy
have
was prepped.
quite the legal vocabulary, Mr. Healy.
I'm better now.
After the heinous murder you just committed with your bare hands,
Mr. Healy,
We're gonna
perhaps
pass
our
up.
firm isn't the right fit for you. We have a full caseload right now, so
I'd be happy to represent you, Mr. Healy.
What?
We're taking the case. When we start from the beginning, tell me everything you know.
It hasn't a lot of days. The last time we spoke, I was told I could request it.
wow.
This was last month, yes.
Insurance talk? It's the worst.
This is a real story.
Yeah, and it's gonna end the same as it always does, right? A bunch of fat old guys in some white-collar prison with more fat old guys.
The cops aren't even on this yet. We could be the ones to connect the dots.
It doesn't sell papers, Ben. Not anymore.
Rumors bubbling. Will Hell's Kitchen finally get a subway line? Come on. You tell that every year.
And every year it kills.
For a fluff piece.
Every year it kills.
Be on the ground, right? You'd like to talk to people. Take a poll.
Oh, you're taking a poll right now.
Hey, yo.
Running out of colors.
There used to be a time when the people in this building wrote the hell out of the news.
Right. Used to.
Used to.
And if that time is not now, maybe they need to get rid of you too.
We are. We're hanging on by our fingertips, Ben. You really want to be greasing that ledge?
Eesh.
Ooh, that was one hell of a use of this vocabulary.
Getting slippery
Greasing that ledge.
What's your story? Why do you have to deal with insurance? Your wife died.
Babe, this...
He has a shirt on the door, which means he's not going home to change.
Babe. 24-hour news cycle.
The terms of attorney-client. You must be a very important man. Is that a question? Statement. It's not every day a global investment firm picks up the tab for a murder suspect. Self-defense. Wonder if you could shed some light on the man that hired us to represent you.
I don't think I can, Constable.
Can't? Or maybe you were in his employment at the time of the incident.
I just wanted to throw a few balls. It's like I keep saying.
You go bowling often, Mr. Healy.
When the mood hits.
And the deceased, he had no motive that you recall.
And he's not hindered by his eyesight.
No, exactly.
We should not be doing this.
Doing what?
Defending professional criminals.
You're the one that keeps saying we need real clients.
That's not a client. It's a shark in a skin suit.
No.
Excuse me?
I want the 180-80 date. If I'm indicted, which we know I will be, we'll waive all hearings and discovery and go directly to trial. As for the man who hired you, all you need to know is his check's gonna clear.
Wow. That's even more ominous than the guy when you met the man.
Right, exactly. Shit, they open right back up.
Babe.
Uh-oh. Came to get the gun.
Wait your turn, man.
That's a sinister ass look.
How do you do it? Nothing to do.
I got next.
Wow.
Can you rewind that one?
Yo, that was crazy. It wasn't even concealed behind his back, right? Okay, yeah, it was.
It was.
I thought he was just waving it. Yo, this guy is crazy.
The camera saw him.
We want to keep the lights on. We gotta take some cases for the money. You were right about that.
Okay, for the record,
You saw the zeros.
ever said I was right. I hate it.
Sometimes
Ever.
we have to do things we aren't proud of.
Oh, where's your girl? Did she leave?
She's pursuing what the hell she had in that envelope.
Yeah,
We have to be
probably.
on the same team, making decisions together.
I got carried away. I'm sorry, Foggy. What about Prohaska's men?
They lawyered up. Wouldn't give a five.
Since when did the victims of an assault not give a statement?
Another chit in our favor. Plus, Healy's pretty banged up. Argued offensive wounds, which makes it look more like a fight and less like an execution.
Here you agree, in writing, to never again disclose information regarding your former employer, the dissolved entity known as Union Allied Construction, or any of its affiliates.
Dissolved.
Upon execution of this agreement, the corporate interests, as they currently
What
exist,
other name did
may
it
not
open up
pursue
under?
legal action against you.
Against me?
Not everyone broke that agreement and distributed confidential information.
I exposed criminal activity.
And had you taken that information to any law enforcement agency, your rights may have been protected, but you went to the New York Bulletin,
The black guy.
privately owned news organization.
I had nothing to do with that article.
So the file you illegally removed from the premises of Union Allied.
Daniel Fisher was murdered, and your
I
client...
assure you that any illegal activity associated with Union Allied has been dealt with. Thanks very much to you.
Sound like you're getting a thank you.
And as a show,
Taking a mat.
my clients would like to offer you a lump sum of 6 months' salary.
For
Huh.
what?
For all
It's a
your help in
payoff.
the matter, and for any stress these events may have caused.
stress.
Keep you quiet. They threaten you to keep you quiet, and they pay you to keep you happy.
Keep my mouth shut.
It's a clean slate, Ms. Page. A chance to put it all behind you.
Take the documents and let Murdock read it.
I already filled out the forms. I just need you to approve them.
Yeah. This is the first step. There are 1,000 more after this, and I've got a hospital to run. If I stop to fill out every appeal, I'm going to
You're gonna
be
cut her off, Shirley. Not yet. But the next thing you know, the communal ward is at capacity. Then she gets pushed to an outpatient facility.
Okay.
5 days. That's what this will buy you.
What's that?
Cheese blintz from that place you like?
You should have led with that.
That'd be cheating.
Delayed gratification.
Hey, she had a good day.
Yeah?
She was up half an hour. Asked about you.
I don't think he was gonna go in.
Oh, if the person's sleeping 23 hours a day.
Right.
I think he was more concerned about keeping her comfortable than keeping her company.
It's still loading. We need better Wi-Fi.
We need better everything.
Let's do that. Let's win cases, be popular, and make money.
Not about that, Foggy.
I know. But it could be. Just a little.
You can up the Wi-Fi now.
Bang on the router, will you?
Oh, hey, no more long lunches until this is over, okay?
You got it.
Tell she was lying.
All right. Practice insights for New York State Penal Law 3515. It's up to the prosecution to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that he was not justified in defending his life.
Right. Okay, nice.
They will come nowhere close.
Members of the jury, this is an important case. And I have a few additional comments that I want you to consider if you should...
He senses somebody. She's being swayed. There's that watch again.
Oh my god. Yeah. Yo, Daredevil is amazing.
He's following her.
That is not him.
I did what you asked me to do.
So I'll be over soon, okay? I mean, you don't want something like that floating around.
What do you have on her?
Go home. Get some rest. Got a big day tomorrow.
Like your kid has an important game or something. You got a big day tomorrow, kid. Get some rest. My god, that's terrible. Try if you can get some sleep while you're living in this nightmare.
Matt's here. Yay!
Ooh.
Stay down.
I told you to stay down, bro.
Stay down.
Son of a bitch! A tape! It's a tape, okay?
Of?
A mistake she made when she was 19 and pretty. Something she don't want her kids to know about.
You get rid of it.
I can't. I don't do this. I'm somebody else's job.
Tell her to get herself excused.
Wow.
Jury. Whatever it takes. After that, she never sees you again.
You'll kill me.
Then you better leave my city. Tonight.
Wow.
After you tell her
After you tell her.
to get herself excused. He's like, I left the city, but you didn't tell her to excuse herself.
The motion to excuse juror number 8 from service due to extenuating personal circumstances. The first alternate juror will replace her.
Or here.
What the hell is he doing?
Forgive me if I seem distracted. I've been preoccupied of late with questions of morality, of right and wrong. And often it's like pornography.
You know it when you see it.
See it. A man.
What? Betty White didn't like that joke.
Light of that, but these questions. A man is dead. A man is dead. And my client, John Healy, took his life. This is not in dispute. What was in my client's heart when he took Mr. Prohaska's life, whether he is a good man or something else entirely, is irrelevant. The prosecution has failed to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that my client was not acting solely in self-defense. And those, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, are the facts. My client, which we've all sworn an oath to uphold,
He's cooking right now.
must be acquitted of these charges. In this courtroom, the judgment is yours.
Ooh.
Yours alone.
Oh yeah. Macbeth.
Chef Murdock.
Chef Murdock, that's right.
He's indisposed.
With what? Art. Art who?
Art. Just art.
Paintings.
You got nothing on Juror 8 now.
She's only a piece of the puzzle.
You ever tried putting a puzzle together with a piece missing?
Ooh.
We've been leaving a trail of bodies lately, and trails eventually lead somewhere.
Lead to somewhere, yes.
This needed to be handled quietly, within the confines of the law.
I know 100 defense attorneys with more experience than Heckle and Jekyll.
Hey, yo.
Experience that matters.
Evan and Jeff.
They just opened shop and they're completely clean. Say that about any of the other 100 you know?
Wow. Bars.
So he killed within his own company. Clean.
Mrs. Fisher? Hi. My name's Karen Payne.
I know who you are.
I know how hard this must be for you.
My husband was found dead in your apartment. You have no idea how any of this is for me.
They killed Danny. They tried to kill me, and now they just shuffle some papers and change their name, and they get away with it?
Let it go. And I told him that whatever it was, he had a responsibility to do something about it. I figure I explain that part to my kids.
Oh.
Pay for what they've done.
They won't listen.
We'll make them listen.
I already signed. I have 2 kids, Miss Page, and they're all that matter to me now. If you have anyone that you care about, let it go.
Because they'll take them too.
That's crazy when you try to do the right thing.
That's crazy, babe.
Readers vote for color.
Excuse me.
The poll. Oh shit.
So they tell me?
She went to go see him.
I read your article.
Oh wow. Yeah, and what's crazy is that, like, because of the fact that she's like, yo, you don't know how this feels for me, but the thing is, it was because of the fact that not only did my husband die in the apartment of some attractive woman, which already has people thinking things, I sent him there.
Told him he had the responsibility.
Whatever he had to do.
Yeah.
Including die on his sword, fall on his own shield.
What did it say at the bottom?
Excuse me, Mr. Urich?
Something about a cat. Oh, here's the verdict. Oh, the watch is back. The old lady, bruh. Excuse me, stop.
They're hung.
Madam Foreperson, it's my understanding from this note that you have been unable to reach a verdict.
Before or after? Fighter. Give me some info.
Wow! Ooh!
What's a bucket?
He just threw it as a diversion, I think.
Woo! That was gonna be cooler than that though.
Wow. Man. This fight choreography is insane, though.
Insane. Oh, it's in the dark though.
That's where the Daredevil does his best work.
Yeah.
Oh shit! Elbow
no,
to the
no.
head. That was crazy. Oh! What? Oh! You go hand to hand. It's
The man that hired your lawyers.
Who does he work
You think I'm afraid of you?
oh fuck.
Fisk. Wow. Did it?
Kingpin. We heard his voice on the phone in the first episode.
No. You do not want to test me. You think this is still about you? And then I'll find everyone I've ever cared about. And do the same to them.
That's
Oh,
crazy.
you gotta live with that, Matt. You already killed me. I'm a dead man walking. Yeah, I'm a dead man walking.
You commit suicide. What?
That's how afraid this guy is, and this guy's skilled, and he's terrified by Mr. Fisk.
He didn't even want to wait until he found out. He's like, let me take myself out. Oh, there he is. There he is.
What's this? A rabbit in a snowstorm. You interested or just looking? All that matters is how does it make you feel?
So maybe he'll have her tonight.
Tick.
Kingpin, bro. Oh man, here we go. So it all leads to the king.
To the rabbit in the snow.
Babe, that was babe.
That's what he
I
feels
was not
like.
ready to watch that. Like I had to turn my. I was not. First of all, I wasn't ready to see Matt Murdock get impaled by that thing.
Right.
The self-impalement is, babe. That's some Game of Thrones
worse,
shit.
yeah, exactly.
Falling down the sepulchre, falling down on your sword, Harry babe.
Yeah.
What? The dialogue in this show is absolutely amazing.
Yeah.
And because of the fact that Matt goes from lawyer to law-abiding superhero, like not law-abiding, but like Matt goes from lawyer to enforcer. Like the verbiage he uses in one, he doesn't use in the other. But when he uses, he literally has weaponized his verbiage, like just like he said in the end of the trial, like he's breaking down the facts. And what are the facts? And he's like, they have not proven da 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 da. Those are the facts. I was like, yo, this guy is crazy, bro. This guy is crazy. And the whole way that Matt sees the whole picture, even though Foggy's focused on the money and the client and how dangerous he is, like Matt, like it's great that they're juxtaposed, even though they're working together as a team. And now the girl going off on her own, I'm just a little too concerned about, because I hope Matt and them catch wind of it before it's too late. You know what I'm saying?
Exactly.
Because like,
she's putting all of them in danger right now.
right, and she went to the person who they thought you murdered's wife.
Exactly.
And the person who
You
wrote
think
the
somebody's
article,
not watching the wife, you know, like,
and you wrote to the person who wrote the article about Union Allied. You're going to the most obvious places that somebody would go to. It's like, okay, a crime was committed here. Where will we not find the killer? At the scene of the crime. Let me go back there. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, bro, like,
not too
dangerous.
smart right now, yeah.
The thing is, she has the right idea. She wants to like, she was wrong. Like, anybody who was wrong, they want to make it right, or at least they want to let known the injustice that was done to prevent other people from suffering the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So what she's doing is right. The way she's going about it is wrong.
Is wrong.
My God.
Facts.
And now we finally saw Kingpin. And that's the thing. Like, I love the way they built up all the characters underneath him, because, like you said, the redheaded guy who just self-suicide, who just killed himself, volunteered for suicide. I mean, that's the only way it's self-suicide. So you can only volunteer for suicide. But what I'm saying is, like, he was like, he couldn't even be like, let me get in this car right now, drive 200 miles in any direction, cross a border, change my name to Juan, and live in a shack. So he couldn't even fathom that. Just the thought of him uttering the name Fisk, he knew the poison was out.
Yeah, he's like, I have to save everybody that I love right now by taking myself out.
And then the fact that he chose to take himself out. And the thing is, we saw like the criminals that were already under, like we saw this glasses guy before. So we saw the criminals that were already under him. And the thing is, as they go up, they become more nefarious because the guy they sent to kill Prohaska and two of his armed goons had to be formidable, right?
Right.
For him to be under the umbrella of the glasses guy who's then under Fist, that means there's a whole litany of bad guys that we still have to see. And different power levels that go along with each. Incredible setup. Incredible setup.
Wow.
Another incredible episode of Daredevil, and I dare you to miss out on the next one. Thank y'all for joining us for the latest episode of Daredevil.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video.
Let us know what you thought about this latest episode down in our comments, and be sure to go over to our Patreon to check out our full-length uncut reaction, or you can stop by simply to support our channel.
I'm Shruti.
And I'm Dre for Beauty and the Beard. We're signing off until the next one.